Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Markets today is just waiting for one top global event, that is Fed meet. Let me tell you, today, having seen the highest inflation from 2008, which came at 5% in America, what will be the next move from Fed? Will Fed start any decision on tightening the monetary policy, or will they at least tell in coming days the easy monetary policy will start getting tightened, or will they announce any timeline for change in monetary policy, and can there be any interest rate hike? These are few questions which markets are watching very closely, and not only in America, throughout the global arena we are seeing definite rise in inflation everywhere. But however, interest rates have remained unchanged. Just increase in inflation with interest rates remaining unchanged will definitely result in change in real interest rate. Now, how is this handled by global market, and how is this handled especially by global central banks? This is the big question what market is awaiting. Let me tell you, this week we have three more trading session, that is today Wednesday, tomorrow we have weekly expiry, and we have Friday trading session. In these 3 days, if market does not correct, and it says I'm least bothered about all this Fed event, inflation and things happening around, liquidity is the king, and let this market continue its up move through liquidity, then I will say I was wrong in prediction, and you will not be right every time, because you are neither God nor you are a liar. If I am God or if I am a liar, then I would have told Maine bola tha and I am right in every aspect. But let me tell you, there is something called universe power or divine power, which is far, far powerful than all the intellectual power what anyone might have. And always I say, intellectual power with humility will only be more powerful. Only intellectual power with lot of ego and maine bolata will only lead to faster destruction and not growth. Now there is a very crucial point I want to put across in this video. Look at stocks which have rallied. JP Associate has gone from 7 rupees to 14-15 rupees. Reliance Power has gone up from 3-4 rupees to now levels of around 14 rupees, which is close to a three bagger. And I'm happy that Yes Bank has not moved like JP Associate or Reliance Power. But I want to tell to each and everyone, okay, you might have made money buying JP Associate at 7 rupee, and now you think it is already double in 1 month. Look at Reliance Power, someone who bought it at 4 rupees, now at 13-14 rupees. He thinks he is the best, and he is even above Rakesh Junjunwala, Radha Kishan Damani, Madhusudan Kela, and he thinks he is the best in the world, even above Warren Buffett, because he has tripled his money just in one single month. 300% return in Reliance Power in one single month, and people think that they have been the best analysts of this world. But let me tell you, with experience and expertise of now over 17 years in market, I have never ever seen wealth creation happening through stocks like Reliance Power, Suzlon, JP Associate, and the similar category of stocks. People have got badly stuck in them, and now the question comes, what next? Let me tell you very easy. Look at all these stocks and compare what has happened to promoter holding in last 1 year, what has happened to mutual fund holding in last 1 year, what has happened to FII and DII holding in last 1 year, also what has happened to retail holding in last 1 year. Yes, the answer is very simple. The money or the entire flow of these holdings have moved from promoters, FIIs, DIIs, and in specifically inside that these mutual funds to public. if you see the holdings of promoter in all these stocks, it is gradually coming down. If you see FII is holding and DII is holding, it is gradually coming down. If you see mutual fund holding in all these stocks, it has just fallen like anything. But the only thing which has gone up is the retail holding. Yes, all these stocks are now sent from these smart people to the account of retail holders who always get caught. You might think I will lose only 10 rupees or 15 rupees. There is nothing to lose. And what some people do, if they have 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, they would have bought entire 2 lakh or 3 lakh worth of these type of stocks. And they are very happy because they get huge quantity. But let me tell you, you have huge quantity of shit which has no value. What is the meaning in buying huge quantity of shit and keeping it in demat? And excuse me for the word whatever I have used, but my 17 years of experience says wealth has always been destroyed by these stocks and never got created. And now let me tell you what next. If you are holding all these category of stocks which has given you great return, fantastic return, it is now time to get out of it and buy quality. Now people ask, what is that quality I want to buy? Now let me tell you, look at Reliance Industry. Even at current levels of 2200 to 2250, 300, it's a great buy. Now let us say you sold your Reliance Power and bought Reliance Industry, and from today or tomorrow market started correcting. Yes, Reliance might come down to 2000 rupees, and from current level you're down 10%. But imagine you're in R Power and correction in market starts. R Power from current level, it does not correct 10%, it will correct in a big way. Similarly, I'm not against Adani group of stocks. Look at the crazy valuations what they have, and I don't know how Adani Power is so powerful and much better company compared to Tata Power. I don't know again how Adani Ports or Adani Enterprises can trade at that crazy valuation irrespective of whatever is the future. But let me tell you, always stock prices are slaves of earnings. If you don't get that company earnings, all this non-stop rally and exorbitant PE has to correct and catch up if there is no earnings. So the strategy is very simple. I see all the promoter, FII, DII holdings coming down in stocks like R Power, stocks like Renuka Sugar, stocks like JP Associate. All these counters, Renuka Sugar, I can keep naming them, and let me tell you, if you have made money in them, excellent. Last 1 year you have been lucky and God has been with you and is very kind. But let me tell you, the same God and the divine power is telling you now, get out of it, book profit, go to Reliance, let Reliance Industry fall down, no problem. It might see a 10% correction, but it will not see like if these stocks see the turnaround, you will not even get back a chance to exit them. So this is the last opportunity for people staying in these kinds of stocks to book their profit and shift to quality, shift to Reliance Industry, shift to stocks like Bharti Airtel, shift to L&T, shift to stocks like Infosys and TCS. This is what you have to do at current levels. Hope this video is something very important, especially for retail traders, and do check and comment me below in the comment section whether you own any of these stocks and today are you making that change. And also go and check what has happened for promoter holding, DII holding, FII holding, mutual fund holding in your stock what you are holding, and if it is reducing over a period of time and retail holding is going up in that same period, that means you have to be cautious and get out of these stocks. You have been lucky to make money in Reliance Power, but let us say right now you have made that great return, fantastic, salute to you, but then get out and go to quality is the big suggestion I want to give to each one of you. And let us see finally whether before Friday we see that amount of profit booking to start in market Till then, I will be giving you lot of learning. I'm sure this video will help lot of retail people and freshers in stock market. If you feel this was a great effort by me, do join hands with me to spread the right financial literacy by forwarding this video to as many people as possible in WhatsApp, Telegram, everywhere. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rudrology, and also do hit the bell icon right now so that you get notification immediately when these type of wonderful learning videos are uploaded. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be waiting to see your comments on what has happened in your stock on the FII, DII, promoter, mutual fund activity, and is retail buying and these guys offloading their shares. Thank you so much. See you more with these kinds of learning videos. Take care. Have a profitable day.